Hello, my name is Henry Briggs and I'm a dentist. And you might be wondering why I'm sitting in this chair. Every day I interview new patients and get to know them in this chair. And what better place for you to get to know me as a new icon and interview me than in this chair? I'm originally from the great state of Alabama, but I live and work in the city of Cincinnati, Ohio. I've been here since July. I was supposed to start earlier in the month of June, but thanks to COVID, that got delayed. Every day I come in and I meet my staff, greet them, thank everyone for being here. Thanks for taking part and being a team player. Then we get started with our first few patients of the day. We treat anything from an emergency to new patient exams, anybody that's in pain, fillings, consultations, anything of that nature. If it happens in the mouth, we deal with it, we see it. Eventually, I would like to own this practice because it is located in the Westwood area of Cincinnati. And it's filled with great people that really need dental work. Like, these are the people that show up and want to get the help that they need, that they may not be able to see anyone anywhere else. So, like, I like to treat people on this side of town. Dental school, I went to the great University of Kentucky College of Dentistry. I'm a new grad. I graduated May 2020, so I had the great pleasure of A, taking my board exam and finding patients during the pandemic, and B, not even having a graduation ceremony. So for the past 4 years, I've worked hard to achieve this accomplishment, but there was no graduation, but I've dealt with it, and that's okay. Being from Alabama and going to the University of Kentucky, I was an out-of-state student, which means a lot of debt, out-of-state debt. I do owe close to $500,000, and it is a strain. I lived on loans for the most part, and it does play a part in the back of my mind every day, but I just try not to let it get in the way of what I'm doing and where I'm going. So by being a new icon, that will really help me out a lot, because $500,000 is a lot. It's a lot for that piece of paper. Mainly, I chose to get into the field of healthcare because I thought, what better way to help people than to help them out when they're in need, when they're in pain, when they need something. So as a dentist, people come and see you in pain a lot. And so when you can get them out of pain, they appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Like, they express so much gratitude. And for me, being a dentist basically is to give people a reason to smile who may not feel comfortable smiling or may not want to smile, but that's my job to change that. And with that, I want to have an overall impact on oral health care, specifically being on this side of town, because I see a lot of patients who have never been diagnosed with high blood pressure, or they didn't even know that they had high blood pressure, and let them know why oral health is so important and how it can lead to other things such as kidney disease, certain cancers. A lot of the issues in the body start with the mouth. The gateway to the body is the mouth. I firmly believe that, and it's my job to be the gatekeeper of the body and help them stay healthy. In the next 5 years, hopefully, I gain more skills to help more people in this area. 10 years, like I said, eventually own this practice and helping more people. And in 15 years, I'd like to even be a teacher at a dental school to help give back to the students that have a passion for learning about oral health as much as I do. And a little fun fact about me, my go-to pump-up song, embarrassing as it may be, is Itty Bitty Piggy by Nicki Minaj, because it's just such a hype song. She's hyping herself up, she's talking about her. And sometimes you have to hype your own self up and be your own cheerleader. Fun fact about me in healthcare: as a kid, hated brushing my teeth, broke my tooth. That's how I got here. And one piece of advice: don't stop, keep going. As Michael Jackson said, don't stop till you get enough. And I'm insatiable. And I think I'd be a great person for the new icon for Figs. Thanks.